Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by getting immediate access to the cabin filter housing. First, park level and power down the car, then open the rear hatch and fold the rear seats flat. Once done, remove the trunk floor panel and the plastic access cover behind the rear seats. Use a flat pry tool to lift clips and a Torx T30 to remove any screws. Do this now so you're working with a clear, well-lit area. Replacing the filter is faster when you can see the housing and clip locations. You'll remove the old filter next. Pay attention to the orientation arrows for airflow. First, unclip the housing cover and swing it open, then slowly slide the filter out so dust stays contained. While it's out, inspect seals and vacuum the cavity or wipe with a damp cloth to remove residue. This prevents contaminated air bypass. Once cleaned, orient the new filter to match arrows and make sure its gasket seats fully. This ensures proper sealing and longer filter life when you finish reassembly. You'll complete the job by installing the new filter and confirming function. Insert the filter with arrows aligned to airflow, then close the housing until clips click and reinstall screws and trunk panels. Once reassembled, return seats to place and start the car to run the blower on medium. Check for normal airflow and no unusual noises. If you hear a rattle or feel weak airflow, make sure the filter is seated correctly and clips are fully engaged. Reseat parts and test again to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.